Dave, welcome to IWM Buzz. Congratulations for the season 3 of Balveer, or we can say Balveer written season 2 ka. Congratulations because fans are loving the show. They're always showering love for you, for your show. So how much excitement is there to come back with a Balveer?
So of course, it has been a long journey for me. First of all, thank you so much for this interview, and it has really great to connect with you today.
Yeah.
So yes, congratulations to all the fans for season 3 of Balveer and season 2 of Balveer Returns, because it has been a long journey for me. Since 9 years I am portraying
Yes.
this character on television. So yes, it has been great, and we have brought many new exceptional stories. First time for the Indian audience. They have never experienced any of such things since
Yes.
we started. So yes, I am pretty much excited, and also season 2 is quite new, and it has a very extraordinary story. So let's see how the viewers like it, and I'm pretty much sure they will love.
Okay, so जब बारहवीं रिटर्न सीजन 2 की बात किया जाए, so as we know कि you are playing 7 different character, you will be playing 7 different character. जब आपको ये चीज पता चला, कितना एक्साइटमेंट आपके लिए बढ़ गया, क्योंकि 7 अलग अलग कैरेक्टर निभाने मिलेंगे. It's not easy at all. So how you are
Of course.
preparing yourself?
Yes, all the 7 characters are very different, and
Yeah.
one of them is Happy and Carl, which are the main characters. Another of 5,
Yeah.
out of which one is Balveer, and other 4 are from different areas, different languages, different looks. So yeah, it takes around 1.5 hours to get ready for each one of them for me, and it has everyone has different makeup looks. So it's quite interesting. When I first came to know about it, I was quite thrilled, because I always wanted to play the negative part since childhood, and I always think that we get to play as an actor, we get to learn as an actor when we play negative roles. So here, Carl is getting me the chance to explore it.
Yes.
Also, Happy is from UP and Kanpur ka jo touch hai, and learning the language, bit Bhojpuri in the tone of him.
Yes.
So yes,
Yes.
a new friend, and also the character of Happy is quite joyous, very contrast to Carl, which is cold-blooded and very harsh villain. So Happy is quite happy with his family, and always in his own zone.
जी.
So yeah, both of them are very different. Talking about the other characters, some of them are really strong and powerful.
हाँ.
They are warriors. Some of them are feared of Carl, and some of them they have never known anything such like the
Yes.
different. So they're quite surprised about all this. So all of them will be different, and I am enjoying each of them, playing each of them, and we have really worked hard to differentiate between all the characters. So let's see how the audience likes it.
ओके, सो जब बात किया जाए कार की, तो कार में हमें नो जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आप फर्स्ट टाइम नेगेटिव किरदार निभाने वाले हो. सो कार का
Yes.
किरदार निभाते वक्त आपको कितने सारे एक्सपीरियंस गेन करने को मिल रहा है, कितना कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है पर्सनली?
So first of all, Kal ka jo kirdar hai, it's very
या.
cold-blooded, deep and dark character. He never speaks much. He's a very silent villain, and he is never confused. He knows what he wants to do, and even the villain means the counterpart is standing in front of him. If he will never be feared. He is never afraid of fighting with anyone or showing his power.
या.
So he's and on the other hand, he has the goal to kill all the 6 lookalikes and get all the powers which Balbir has. So he has that goal, and he is trying to kill all of them at once. So of course, it's hard to play this character from the day I start. When the stage starts with my makeup, I had to play some music which is dark and very silent, and which creates the atmosphere around me. Also on the set, when I go, I don't do मस्ती मजाक नहीं करते हम. काफी साइलेंट रहता हूँ मैं. तो ये जो कैरेक्टर है उसके जोन में ही रहता हूँ मैं पूरा दिन.
जी.
12 घंटे की शिफ्ट में. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो भी स्क्रीन पे दिखता है कि कैसे मैं मैनेज करता हूँ. और काल का जो किरदार है वो प्रॉपरली बाहर आए, उसके लिए मैं एक प्रॉपर उसी जोन में रहता हूँ और हमेशा साइलेंट रहता हूँ.
ओके, सो देव, कोविड के दौरान शूट करना, बिकॉज केसेस आर गोइंग वेरी हाई नाउ, और इतने
Yeah.
पैंडेमिक में शूट इट्स नॉट इजी एट ऑल. सो हाउ यू आर
Yes.
कीपिंग योरसेल्फ सैनिटाइज, कितना ध्यान रख रहे हो शूटिंग के वक्त?
So yes, shooting के दौरान of course there are many because as an actor we have to take care of makeup and looks and all of
Yes.
that.
Yes.
मास्क पहनना बहुत hard रहता है. But when I go to set first, we check the temperature and oxygen and all that. And after
Yes.
that, when I go to makeup room, so makeup dada aata hai, PP kit पहन के. So there's always safety around us. Also, the production and channel is taking good care of us. So yeah, it's safe for us to shoot. But yeah, we have to be extra safe, and also we wear masks. We try to wear as much as mask we can on the sets. Also maintain social distancing. And it's pretty hard because kahin na kahin, it is my second family. I work, my half of the day is with this family, so I
Yeah.
always miss seeing them, handshaking with them, hugging them. So it has been quite hard for me since we started shooting after COVID to meet anyone or not hug anyone. So I'm very close person, so I really like all of that. But I am sure that once this COVID is done with, we can start again with the full joy we started. Yeah.
So playing a character Barbie for a long time, from last 9 years, how you
Yeah.
feel कि बारबी ने कैसे आपके लाइफ को चेंज लाया है, बारबी से आपके लाइफ में कितने सारे चेंजेस आए? फॉर श्योर देयर इज अ ह्यूज चेंज इन योर लाइफ. So are you preparing for other shows also, for other character also?
Of course, so Balveer, since I started in 2012, so it has
Yes.
been a very joyous journey for me because this character, you can say that we never had a clear-cut idea of what Balveer would be. So me, my mom, and also the creative team of our show, when the show started, we slowly created the character of Balveer and how he will talk, how he will walk, his style of landing, his style of talking. So we started it with that, and gradually the character was made. So you can say that what I did, Dev Joshi did was Balveer, and what Balveer did
Yeah.
is Dev Joshi. So we are pretty much similar in real life also. And the character of Balveer has taught so many things to me. When you do
Yes.
such positive things for society and play such a positive role, of course your life is
Yes.
affected. And I have learned many things from Balveer. So yeah, it's heartwarming whenever I see my old episodes of season 1 and also
Yeah.
from Balveer Returns. So
Yeah.
it is always a nostalgic journey for me, and it is continuing still. I'm happy with that.
Okay. So they're talking about the apart from the Barbie. So is there any planning for doing some music albums or doing any web show or something else?
So here I can say that I'm pretty choosy with my work.
Yeah.
So yes, I got many good offers, but I didn't like the characters or somewhere it had the things which I don't like. So yes,
Yeah.
I'm waiting for some good content to work or good characters to show, and so because I have a responsibility, and after I got the national award for exceptional achievement, so yeah, it's my responsibility to play the roles
Yes.
which affect the society in a positive way. So that's
Yes.
what I try the best, and it has been since I started with Balveer, I always try to be as much
Yeah.
as particular about my role, and let's see what the future has planned for me.
Lastly, any final message for the audience who's still loving you, your show, your character Balveer, and they always shower love?
Of course, so Balveer Returns has came up with really interesting story. It has been week since we started with the season 2, and of course, the character of Carl, Happy, and other 5 characters are really interesting to watch. And the storyline is pretty much not very obvious. We have created many of the twists and turns in the story this time,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
I'm sure audience would love it. Hope to meet the fans in personally soon because we can't do events or can't do any functions right now. But sure, every day we meet at 7 p.m. on
Yes.
Sony Sir. So I would love fans to watch it, and I will try to interact with them as much as I can. And thank you for watching Balveer Returns and showering me with so much love. Thank you.
Thank you, Dave, for giving your precious time, and all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. See you soon.
Bye. Same to you. Take care.